Guys, hi igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Guys, on today's video we're going to be talking about characteristics of an Igbo man. I don't know the video that is coming first, but I sure know that you have watched most of this video this week because you follow me on my YouTube channel very well. You find out in my community I mentioned that this week is going to be about talking about Igbo men, because I teach Igbo on this channel, cultures and videos from time to time. So if I don't bring up this Igbo man, this man, then what do I gain? So in today's video we're talking about characteristics of an Igbo man. Okay, what you should know about Igbo men. Okay, number one here is they are traditional. They love culture. Igbo men love culture. They love titles. They love Ichie, Zenozo, and Kankanka, Chifu, Cabinet. We love it very well. An Igbo man who has made money to an extent, who wants to take title in his village. I don't know why, but they love recognition. They love to be recognized. They love to be seen. This is Igbo for you. This is how they were. This is how we have been. This is how we came to the world with. It's very, the percentage is not high to see an Igbo man that has made that money and does not want to be seen. The percentage is not high. Next thing they want is a chieftaincy title. They love chieftaincy title and they can do anything to get that title, which is very wrong. It can come off wrong sometimes because some go to an extent of pulling the other person down just to get this title. But this is their characteristics and we can't do anything about it, right? We're talking about 80%. 80% would want to have this culture. They love tradition. They love traveling to the village with their children. No matter, if you see an Igbo man that has money, and he's not even living in Nigeria, you always remember to travel home. This is to tell you how much they like tradition and how much they love culture. Unlike other tribes, the Hausa or the Yorubas, they don't care. Where they are is where they remain. Most of their kids don't even know the way to their village, don't even know the village they are from. But it's very rare in an Igbo man, even in diaspora. They want to be identified as Igbo and their children are identified as Igbo. It's also an Igbo man in diaspora that you see their child answering their native name. Choma, Obinna, Nkechi, Gineka, and they're living in the US, they're living in Canada, they're living in Europe, but they've not even been home. Let's say after 3 years they gave birth, but they remind their child that they're Igbos, they're from Nigeria, and the reason why they're not answering Sandra is because they have a native name, only an Igbo man. So this is our characteristics. Okay, and number 2 here is, okay, I've mentioned culture already, which was number 2, and number 1 was tradition, and the third one here goes Igbo men love to take care of their women. Yes, I can't overemphasize it. This is characteristics for an Igbo man. We're not fighting with anybody. Igbo man is not struggling this thing with anybody. Amongst the tribes we have in Nigeria, like Hausa and Yorubas, Igbo men is the outstanding in taking care of their wives. Yes, 99% takes care of their wife, and that 1% is just very few who I don't even know. Maybe they are mixed of other culture, I don't even know. You get? But Igbo men mostly love to take care of their wife, they love to take care of their family, they love to take care of their siblings, they love to take care of their mom, they love to take care of, things around them. They love to take charge. An Igbo man feels he's in charge when he's doing his responsibility. An Igbo man, even girlfriend, when an Igbo man has a girlfriend, he's not even married, he has a girlfriend, he still relates all this responsibility with the girlfriend. When an Igbo man has a girlfriend, they even extend their relationship to the girl's sister, to the girl's mom sometimes. This is how we are in nature. Some people might see it as being not being or something, but this is the characteristics of an Igbo man. Everybody around them, we enjoy, we eat from that pot, That is characteristics of an Igbo man. And the next characteristics of an Igbo man here is they are providers, which I just mentioned now. They are providers. They provide for their kids, they provide for their wife, they provide for their sister, for their mom, even extended. An Igbo man is the man that will ask you one day, my wife, what about this so and so person that is not even related to you? And you're like, they are fine, no, they're just struggling. And he says, okay, take this one and give to them. Only an Igbo man, when they have, they relate it with everybody around them. Everybody around them will eat, and most of them are giving. I didn't say that there are some Igbo men that are not stingy. All of what they think is about their family. No, what I'm just saying here basically is they love to provide for their family. They love to, unlike other people that once they just give birth, everything is in your pocket. But no, an Igbo man is definitely not like that. Another characteristic of an Igbo man here is, see, an Igbo man love their mother. They love their mother comforts. Do we like it? Do we love? Yes, we like, we love. I don't know, I've seen some videos most of the time, people saying, my husband loves the mother so much. And hello, is he going to love you so much? The mother actually was the person that gave birth to him. So what is your problem? If your husband loves the mother too much, what is your wahala? Is he going to hate the mother and start loving you because he got married to you? You know, I see these things, but it's crazy. To me, it's very crazy. Yes, right from even before I got married, before I even gave birth to my own son. When I hear it, when some people say, I want to get married, but I don't want to get married if my mother-in-law is alive. What the hell? How can you in this world say such a thing? How will you imagine if you give birth tomorrow and give birth to a son and your son's girlfriend prays for you to also die, not to reap the fruit of your labor, not to enjoy your son's money before you die? So right from time, I was never praying this kind of prayer. It's not even because I'm married. Right from time, I was never praying this kind of prayer for my mother-in-law, because no. I was never ever. So I'm totally against it, like 100% against it. I am married and I have a son, and I want to also live to see my son successful. I want to also live to see my son's wife, and I would love to also live to be that old mother, old grandmother, and my son is looking out for me. And my son is looking out for me. Yeah, actually it's the other way around for me. I even want my husband to be taking care of the mother very well. Yes, because when he's taking care of the mother very well, me, I'm happy. Because I'm very sure that when my son grows up, he will take care of me too. Because this is the scammer. When you're there saying that you want your mother-in-law, your mother to your husband, not to be alive when you too, when you give birth to your own son will not even see you. When he gets married, before he gets married, you too, you don't buy. So Igbo men loves their wife. Igbo men loves their mothers very well. So if you're not even ready to love your mother, if you're not even ready for your husband to love the mother, please go to another place. Igbo man is not for you. Please, Igbo man is not for you. Face another side. Igbo man cherish their mom. They love their mom a lot. And me too now, I have a son, and I'm very sure my son loves me a lot as well. And he's going to take me as his handbag when he grows. And any woman that wants to try and stop my son from loving me, God in heaven will fight for me. Because even now, even when I was still dating, when I was still not even married, I did not block anybody from loving their son. So my body will, even no woman will stop my son from loving me, because it will not work. Because I don't do it to anybody, even till now. I will even prefer my husband to love the mom and take care of the mom and leave me, because me, I'm still strong. I'm still I am very energetic. I can find my own food, I can find my own clothes. But the mom is not energetic anymore and cannot find his own food and his own clothes. So when the son is giving him food and clothes, I am happy. Then me, I can use my own energy to fight for my own food and my clothes. So when I'm old again, my son too that I gave birth to will find food and clothes for me. So this thing is generation. So when you're there saying that you want to get married but you don't want your mother-in-law to be alive, remember that you are going to be married, are going to give birth to a son, and another woman will wish you dead. So remember. So another characteristics Nigerian Igbo man is, don't correct them when they dress with their different colors. 80% of Igbo man, container in the wolf, 40 feet container, 30 Mercedes Benz, $40 million US pounds. They don't know how to dress. Igbo men are not fashionistic. They're not fashionistas. Their pocket is the fashion, and their briefcase is the fashion, but their clothes is not the fashion. Another place you see the fashion is on their wife and their kids. But you see them, they can wear pink shirts, they can wear pink suits, green trouser. They can wear red suits and yellow trouser. Please, do it for them like that. Even if you don't like it as a wife, please find another way to be, find another way to be relative. Don't come off being insulting, because they don't care about how they dress. What they care is, understand? So just Know that. Know that and know peace before you start dating an Igbo man. That is why this video is characteristics of an Igbo man. So know that and know peace. So it's not when you come and say, Jesus, what kind of clothes is this? Why you dress like this? Be coming down. Another characteristics of Nigerian Igbo man is they love to spend. They love to spend heavily. I've mentioned it already in one of my videos. They love to spend, they love to take care of it. An Igbo man cannot have money and go to occasion and not spray money and put it in his pocket. No. They want to share, they want to spray money, they want to spend money. An Igbo man cannot have money and not spend on you. I will not buy you clothes, even once. You know, and I will not take you for a trip even once. This is our characteristics. You can't take it away from us. This is who we are. This is why God keeps blessing our Igbo man their pockets. Okay? So this is characteristics. Other characteristics of an Igbo man is, see, I forgot to tell you, even an Igbo man that is not yet a man, that is still a boy, still falls into these characteristics, because these things come off in them even when they were little. They start growing up with them even when they're not even being taught. Talk more of those that watch their father take care of their mom, take care of them. Oh God, oh my God. You see, this is just who we are. Another characteristic of Nigerian Igbo man is they're not polygamous in nature. A typical Igbo man is monogamous in nature. Forget all these things that y'all is doing, all these rubbish things that are going around. Compared to other tribes, Hausa and Yoruba, Igbo men are not polygamous in nature. We're monogamous in nature. We like to marry one woman. One woman with our children. They take care of their wife and everything. They make their marriage work. They are not polygamous in nature. Okay? And we love that. Of course, I don't want to be sharing any woman with my man. I don't wish to share any woman with my man. Come on now. 2 wives and 1 man. I don't wish to. And I'm not even praying for it. I'm not to. Please, everybody stay in their house. Another characteristics of an Nigerian Igbo man is, which is the last amongst the many others, hope you have watched a lot of my videos, okay, is they love to preserve family name. Yes. Sometimes this can come up very negative in the sense that sometimes the woman is finding fruit of womb for a male child is not coming forth. Some Igbo men are very, they take this in a very wrong way. They forget that the woman is not the one who makes son. It's the sperm who makes son. It's the sperm who makes daughter. It's what this sperm gets that we produce. But when it comes to the moment they are looking for a male child, they forget that it's not the woman that forms the male child. That is God that forms the male child through the sperm. They put all the blame on the woman. It can even go as far as trying to get a second wife. Even their mother can even go as far as trying to get a second wife for the man. This is characteristic of an Igbo man. They love to preserve their family name. They love to say, this is my name, this is Okafor. And Okafor got married and the wife gave birth to another Okafor. There's another Okafor in the lineage. There's another Okafor in the generation. The lineage that represents the men Okafor. They love it. It's not like Yoruba that whether the born man or born woman, everybody can represent the generation. But an Igbo man wants a family name. Someone who can preserve that family name. So they're very particular with a male son. And in this video, I pray that every woman who is married and looking for a male son, that God is going to give the person in Jesus' name. Because that God who has given you a husband and given you the fruit of the womb will also provide you a son so that your marriage will be fulfilled. But because that is what it is. An Igbo man, an Igbo marriage is as if you have not given birth to a son. It's as if you have not gotten married yet. It's as if you have not claimed that family already. It's as if you have not claimed your territory already. This is the way it has come to be. It's very saddening because it's the women that take this cross. At that point, they forget that the man also contributes his sperm and that the woman gave birth to what she was put into. They forget that and everything becomes on the woman. And the woman start running around different places, different fetish, Christian church, Olumba, white and white, different garment church, different places, just to have this male son because of the pressure that is around it. Some men that love their wife so much will not even tell their wife this thing, but because Igbo women already know this perception. So when they start giving birth and they don't have a male child yet, their mind already starts running around even without their husband telling them this. They start feeling very inferior. Do you understand? So that is just basically it. But aside that, Igbo men are the goal. These are the characteristics of an Igbo man amongst many others. Did I forget to tell you that Igbo men love to show off their girlfriend? See, an Igbo man that does not show you off probably has another person he's showing off, period. Because an Igbo man loves to take care of the girlfriend, loves to make the girlfriend presentable, loves to make the wife presentable, loves to show them to the world, dress them well and show them to the world. So if he's an Igbo man you have, he's not doing this, just be rest assured that Igbo man has somebody he's showing off. I'm sorry. After watching this video, I'm gonna fight your rights, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share this video as well if you have not. Subscribe to this channel because on this channel I teach Igbo language, culture. I bring in vlogs from time to time, of course, just to make this channel a little bit lively. So therefore, sometimes I bring in vlogs into my channel. Also, like I've said this before, right? Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video today. To have a wonderful day. Bye. She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love. So what if this time